welcome to the Green News. So we have a big problem with the water because the people don't take care of about that, and they use in a excessive quantifies, and then it's when they go to the vacation, a certain part, they plastics bags and things like this, and it's a big problem. And today we have an informative clause. The expert Jimmy talk about that, and they have an interview, and next we explain about this topic and interview some people in Mexico.
Hello, today we meet the expert Francesc Jimmy. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, next I will ask you questions. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, did you know that 70% of the water in the country is only divided 7 into international councils?
I think that's a bad thing because it's neglecting the human right, the access to drinking water to the entire Mexican population. Moreover, the companies are private and can some bigger the national interest and monopoly the price water create a cartel.
Good. What do you think about the conflict of the weather and about the favoring of politicals?
This is very bad. As I told you in the previous question, private company holds a monopoly on drinking water and can create a lobby with major political interest.
Yes. Okay. What do you think about the lack of participation of the universities and institutions of the higher education in the field of the weather?
For a good administration, I think the government should nationalize the water treatment company and water resources, as well as delegate the solution to universities as well as NGO.
Okay. Thank you, Jimmy.
Good morning, good morning.
What's happening with your friend?
I don't know.
Okay. Can I ask you some question about the environmental crisis in Mexico?
Okay.
What strategic or action would you propose for a good administration of the water?
I don't know. I think that campaigns should be proposed to become aware. The measure to save water in our homes and industries. Other thing. Also avoid corruption in the administration. The management is transparent at water.
Good morning, guys.
No.
Okay. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Can I ask you some question about the environmental crisis in Mexico?
Why yes?
Yes. Did you know that 70% of the water in the country is only divided in 7 international concessions?
Oh, really? I thought
Yes.
that the government has the power to move the water around the country. I don't believe that.
It's a good opinion. And second question is, what do you think about the conflict over water and about the favorite of political?
I think the water is a irrenewable resource that the people need in all habits of their life, because the water is the life of the things, and I think the correct uses is the most important thing that we awareness about the conscience of the people.
Yes, it's important in creating you create awareness about in people about the water issue.
I think that we have to create campaigns about the conscience about save the water here in Mexico and don't waste the water in things that not have really importance because I don't know, maybe we are wash or dish our teeth and leave the water get down. I don't know, and we are only waste that in a form that is no the better. So we have to give that message that we have to save this important element in the world.
Thanks. Your opinion is really important.
Thanks.
I hope this information make a change in your mind. And remember, the things that like you do today is a change for tomorrow. See you in the next information capsule.